let's talk about this sounding. We have A sound and A sound right now. And by the way, E is silent in French. Mostly we're not sounding the E in French. Like if I take this doigt, I say le, not le. And then if I take la, it is m. If I take this, it is no. If I take this one, it is b. Until it take accent, we do not sound it most of the time. So let's take this one. It is A or A sound. This is la télé. Le bébé, the baby. Le métro, the metro. La rivière, the river. A sound, rivière. Légère, légère. Donc, on a célébrer, célébrer. On a to celebrate. C'est, by the way, légère is light weight. Lightweight right now. Donc, on a célèbre, which is different from celebrate. Célèbre, célèbre is famous. On a élève, primary school student. On a chèvre, chèvre, the goat. Right now, the goat. Donc, on a l'été, l'été. Donc, sound, lé and T. Donc, on a ici également l'été is the summer, which is different from été, which is the third form of to be, which is been. Right now, on a ça. Donc, on a A is silent or mute, muet en français. Except whenever it take accent, this A sound and A sound. Right now, merci, au revoir.